Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at two functions, left and right. And these are text-based functions. What these functions do is they allow you to pull text out of a cell on the left of that text or on the right of that text. So let's say let's see what left does. As I start to type left, I hit tab. It asks for what text, and if I select that, the number of characters, let's say 10. So what this does is it brings over the first 10 characters, including spaces being counted as characters. If I change this to 15, or if I change this to 17, as we saw in the last video, Fox starts at character 17. If down here I do right, click on that, and the number of characters is 20, or let's say 27. So in here, I took the first 17, and in here, I took the last 27. 17 plus 27 is 44, which is the whole length of that. I used to use left and right all the time to pull out, if I had a list of data that showed something like, let's say I had numbers like this, where there was a list of numbers that looked kind of like this. And what I wanted to do was pull the number part out of that. Or let's say I wanted to pull the letter part out of that. I could use the left of this and just say 1. And then I could pull the right part of that by saying 4. Sometimes when you have data like this, you want to be able to break it up and treat it differently. So left and right were really useful for that. Although lately I have found that the new text before and text after functions do a more graceful job of the same thing that left and right were designed to do. So I don't use left and right very often, but you'll still come across it in older spreadsheets, so it's important to know. That's left and right. Next, we'll be looking at mid, length, text before, and text after. See you then.